Yes. I'm in Castleton trying the soup at Stephanie's soup shop. Hot right off the pot. And Stephanie has been around for 31 years. And as usual, I was curious to know how she gets started.
Miss Mama. My mother used to work at the garden. Miss Mama said to me start myself over.
Stephanie said that she's had a variety of customers over the years.
A lot of customers. From foreign and go. Like the worldwide.
She does 4 types of soup and she's up and out early.
Like 5 o'clock now. By 8, 9 o'clock.
She's grown to love what she do. I just want to know what's the best selling soup. Cause that me want.
Janga soup. Sometimes the red cheese. But the janga soup is the one that.
And her husband and the customers would definitely agree.
Yeah man, the excellent soup is the crayfish soup and the pig's tail soup.
Stephanie's soup menu include goated soup, crayfish soup, red peas with cow skin, and chicken foot soup. And Stephanie also does corn. So you know you must bust a gas and your belly must